In the kitchen today, Joy McCabe here with a recipe she says is one of her most favorites, an Asian chicken rice bowl. Sounds delicious.
And first thing we're going to do, we're going to make a delicious dressing to go over all the ingredients. I have here some canola oil, and I'm going to add in some fresh squeezed lime juice, along with some lime zest. Then I've got some grated ginger, some sweet chili sauce, I've got some honey, and this is optional. If you think you would like it sweet, just add a little honey. Otherwise, you can leave this off. I like mine a little sweet. Next, I've got salt. And just whisk this all together. Smells great. Pour some of the dressing over the slaw mix, and this is just a store-bought slaw mix. It's very colorful, and that's what you want, with green cabbage and red cabbage and carrots. And just combine the dressing with this slaw mix, and then set this aside for 10 minutes while you get the other ingredients ready. We're ready to start putting our rice bowl together. And in this bowl, I have some cooked brown rice. Just use your favorite recipe for the brown rice and follow the package directions. Then we're gonna top that with our slaw mixture that we've already dressed. Then I've got chicken. This is just rotisserie cooked chicken. And I kind of like to put the toppings in little sections around the top of the bowl. Just makes a really pretty presentation. Chopped cucumbers, just English cucumbers. Chopped red bell pepper. Some chopped jalapeno pepper. Chopped green onions. Some salted roasted peanuts. That's going to add great crunch and texture to this recipe. Then I just top it off with some cilantro leaves. This is your rice bowl. It really is a pretty colorful dish. And I'm just going to sprinkle on a little more dressing over the top ingredients. For the recipe, go to joymccabe.com. That's JOYMCCABE.com. Or you can find the recipe on WBIR.com. Give this a try. It really is a delicious, simple dish. Thanks, everybody.